but I guess that looks okay. Alright, let's not do that with your chin, because then you have 5 of them, Kira. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, I say this every video, but this one is really exciting. I recently just got on the PR list for, okay, not recently, I don't check my email. They messaged me back in June. But I only recently just saw that I was put on the PR list for Urban Decay. I don't know how they found me. I never emailed them. I follow them on Instagram and I like all their pictures and comment, and that's about it. I mean, I tag them in everything that I use, but I don't know how they found me. But somehow they found me. I'm so small on here. I'm amazed. I'm so grateful and thankful for this opportunity to show you guys their products. But I was sent in PR this new Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator medium coverage foundation up to 24-hour wear. Don't wear your makeup for 24 hours, people. That's just nasty. But I have been wearing it since 9 a.m. and it is currently 3:30 when I'm filming this because I just got a new job, y'all. I am going to be a dermatology nurse. How exciting is that? But I'm doing like stuff behind the scenes for the beginning of my job, like online, so filming this has been taking all day. But I did get this. This is the shade 30 Light. But I am doing a wear test on this for you guys. It's a bit worn at this point. And I also got the new Naked Urban Decay Wild West palette. Now, if you guys are familiar with my reviews on palettes, I do show you guys product photography and swatches, like Instagram style, up over here in the corner, so I'm going to do that. This is a beautiful foundation. It's not quite my color, but it did go on perfectly for a first impression on a foundation. This has been my favorite that I think I've ever worn before. And I've done a lot of wear tests for foundations, so I am super impressed with this one so far. If you guys like full coverage, this is not it. Although it did cover my birthmark, and it did not cover my beauty mark, which full coverage foundations normally cover my beauty mark. And this is actually a long wear tinted glow hydrator infused with kombucha, filtrate, and marula oil for 24-hour hydration, coverage, and fresh glow. Now my skin is dry, so I really love the way that this says hydrating, because yeah, that's what I need in a foundation. And I was actually super surprised at how like skin-like and refreshed and not like cakey this is. You'll see, I zoom up super close, like pore close, like y'all might be disgusted close, but you know, I'm not fake, and there's no filter on my camera, so you can see everything, every wrinkle of my almost 34-year-old face. Did I say my age? Damn it, I don't think I ever have. There you go. No secrets here. This has 12 shades, by the way. I have all the shade ranges right here on this little card. I mean, they could have had a lot more than 12, but they do go super, super deep, and they go super, super light. This is my color right here. It's a slightly too dark for me, but I just fixed that with a shit ton of bronzer, which actually made it even darker. Whatever. I look sun-kissed, and I'm supposed to be like Wild West themed, so don't hate me. Another thing is this palette right here, which is absolutely beautiful. This retails for $49, and it is part of their Naked palette collections. So it's supposed to have the warm tones of the desert mixed with the cool tones of like the night, which is a really pretty concept if you mix warm and cool tones together. And they actually work really well on the eyes. All of these colors complement each other beautifully. I really love this. This is a really pretty shade in particular, so it looks silver, but when you put it on your finger, it has the most micro, like copper sparkle. It's really, really beautiful. The formula is really smooth, it doesn't crumble off, and it doesn't seem to flake off. Like, you know how when you put some shimmers on, they get that texture on them? These are really nice and like buttery smooth. But I am doing a wear test. I am also doing a tutorial on this look, but I was gifted these in PR, so I am extremely thankful to Urban Decay. However, that does not change my opinion on these products whatsoever. I have always loved Urban Decay's formula, no matter what. I have a ton of their palettes. I absolutely love them. Urban Decay Naked was my first palette ever in existence, along with 99.99% of the entire makeup communities. So I've enjoyed them for a long time. The Urban Decay All Nighter is my ride or die setting spray. I can't live without that thing. I've tried and I failed and I actually died. By the way, you guys, look, I mean, you know, they always go crazy. They go ham with their frickin' packaging. Okay, my lights are just making everything work. Does that work? Kind of. It's so pretty. Oh man, if only a lizard looked like this. Or is this supposed to be a dragon? Or is that supposed to be a dinosaur? Whatever. Either way, I had my bearded dragon in the photo shoot for this, and, well, not mine, my daughter's, and he was super cute and everyone loved him. And now I have a whole bunch of bearded dragon friends who want to show me theirs as well. I was like, thank you. Your bearded dragon's so cute. Oh, look at you. But they kill it with their packaging, y'all. Every time. I actually have another palette that I haven't even used yet. It's the Stone Gem one. That's super beautiful. And I will do a review on that at some point in the next year. I was not gifted that one in PR, though. I could have been, though, but I missed that email, so damn. But, oh, yes, pictures. Here's pictures. So, product photography of my daughter's dragon. His name is Calico. And then swatches. And my face is blurry. Oh, thanks, camera. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Cute. Cute. Alright, so if you guys are interested in seeing this tutorial first, that's what's going to happen. And then we'll be going straight into the foundation wear test. And then I'm going to come back tonight at around whatever time I come on. And it's probably going to be 8 p.m.-ish, 9. And then we're going to zoom back in again so you guys can see how this has worn on my dry skin. But it's a hydrating foundation, so we're going to see how pretty it is. So if you guys are interested in that, then let's go. What am I saying? I don't know. There's an ant crawling on my camera right now. And if he crawls over the lens and it does something weird, that's because there was an ant. I don't know how an ant got on my camera. Why is there so many ants in my sunroom? But I'm going to go ahead and use this Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. I have the color 30 Light. It states it's medium coverage. It is 9 a.m. so I'm going to try and wear this until 8 p.m. because I have to work tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bath at that point and wash it all off. So it'll have a nice long wear test. I'm not going anywhere, so there won't be any mask marks. And you guys can see how it wears around my smile lines, which is my hardest area to cover up. I always get them no matter what. And mainly around my nose. For the most part, my forehead lines aren't super deep, so I never really have issues with those. But we can also see how this wears on dry skin, because I do have very dry skin. By the way, if my face looks chubby, it's because I'm fat. I have gained so much weight during quarantine. And I am too lazy to work out. So if my face looks chubby, it's because it is. My biggest problem area covering up stuff is my birthmark and this hyperpigmentation on my lips. So let's see if it covers that up. My birthmark was over here, by the way, and it seems to have covered it up nicely. I'm definitely bringing this down my neck because it is not, this is definitely giving me a tan, which is fine. I'm okay with that because I'm pasty. So it definitely is medium coverage because with my normal full coverage foundations, my beauty mark here on my lip completely disappears. Okay, so there it is. Let me go ahead and put on my concealer, powders, contour, blush, highlight, all that fun stuff, finish up the eye look, and then we will come back and I will get up close and personal with this tinted hydrator. Okay, so I have all my makeup on. And I'm going to wear this until about 8 tonight because I have to work tomorrow really early. So I am going to go ahead and zoom in real quick. This will be a really nice long wear test for the day, and we will see how this foundation holds up. So as you can see, I used a little bit more bronzer. I wanted to make this look as Wild West as possible. For my Instagram picture, actually, it's going to be a lot more intense, so if you guys are interested in seeing that on my Instagram, I will have my Instagram handle down below. You guys can go check that out later. I'll also have my Instagram picture at the end of the video so you guys can see what that looks like. It's a little bit different, but for the most part, this is the eye look, and I think it's really cute. Got a little star in the middle. I love these lashes. These are my favorite. These are DJ Glam in the style NYC. But let's go ahead and zoom in and look real close at this and see how well it wears. By the way, if you guys do like these fake freckles, they are by Pseudo Labs, and it is Freckles. That's the name of it. I'm wearing shades 01 and 02. 01 are these light ones, and 02 are the darker ones. And I do have a link below. And there is a code. It's automatically applied at checkout if you guys are interested in the fake freckles. But let's look at these. So let's see here. My nose actually looks really good with this foundation. My smile lines, ooh, they actually look really nice. Wow. I'm super impressed with these smile lines so far, you guys. I'm also super impressed with the lipstick that was just on my teeth. My forehead looks really good as well. I mean, I am actually really impressed with how this is sitting on my skin. It is light coverage, like I said, but the fact that I added freckles makes it look a lot more natural. And I did add some really gold highlighter just to, you know, for effect. I'm not wearing a mask again, I'm not going anywhere, so this is just going to be normal wear and tear around my house, and then I'm going to take a bath. So it'll be like half a second for you, and it's going to be hours and hours for me, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, it is almost 8:30 at night. I have taken off my lashes. Clearly, they are... No, that's not happening anymore. So I'm about to take a bath and go to bed, and we're just going to zoom in, look at my face, and make fun of it. Or, you know, applaud it. Whatever you want to. Just know that all this shiny stuff is highlighter. I have the driest skin ever. If I didn't use highlighter, this would look matte AF because I have zero oils on my face. But let's look at my smile lines, my nose, and my forehead lines, because those are always the biggest problem areas with my foundations. So let's do the forehead. It's not as nice as before, but it's also not bad. So, I mean, that's like perfectly acceptable. My nose. Actually, my nose looks fine. I think it looks fine. This side actually looks exactly the same. This side might look a little bit better. My smile lines. Okay, y'all. I think this is the best that my smile lines... My lipstick is all over the place. I think this is the best that my smile lines have ever looked with any foundation ever. What the fudge? Okay, I am impressed. I mean, I'm impressed. Not gonna lie. I am impressed with this foundation. But that is it for the wear test. Let me know what you guys thought of this foundation. And if you guys have it, and if you guys enjoy it as well, or, you know, if you don't like it, let me know all your thoughts and opinions on it. I would love to hear. But that is all I have for this video, you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! What is that? Hey guys! But I was gifted these, Stop. So I did, and I did get the primer. Nope, I didn't get that for that one. I got it for this one. Ignore my dog in the background. She's being annoying, and I've done a lot of like wear tests for it throughout. So this one has, it's supposed to be inspired from the desert. So it's supposed to, I can't talk today. Let me know what you guys thought of this. Thus. It's so fancy. I mean, clearly it hasn't really worn off anywhere. What is that? Oh, hey. I think that's hummus. I'm gonna finally take off these godforsaken stars on my inner corners. They have been poking me all day and they're metal. PSA, don't put metal on your eyes like I did. Don't be a dumbass.
Are they dirty dishes?
Just my wine. But that's not dirty because I'm still drinking it.